Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So Chatgpt is basically a chatbot launched by OpenAI and it's an approach to transfer learnings. So first of all, you'll go to Google, type Chatgpt. After you go into Chatgpt, then you'll find this option, you follow it. So it's basically a technique which transfer learnings. Like if you want to improve your learnings, you will get more authentic knowledge on ChatGPT. It is an open AI, so you simply go to try ChatGPT and then you will get an option where it will ask you to sign up or log in. And if you are new, then you would definitely go for the sign up, but I've already signed up, so I'll not go there. I'll go with the option login. When I'll press login, I'll get an option to write my email address that I've used while signing up. I'll write my email there and then I'll press continue. After pressing continue, I'll get the option to write my password. You can select your own password while signing up, and if you forget password, your option there. You go to continue, and when you continue, you are into it. You are into ChatGPT. Now here you can start any chat. Like I'll press new chat and here I'll type something. Let's say I'm typing how old was Newton when he died. Let me ask ChatGPT. So the difference between ChatGPT and Google is that it basically gives information that's available on the Google, but it is giving much more advanced applications. Like I'm applying for a job of assistant. Now I'm asking it to make an application for me, write an application for me. Now if you don't have enough time, and it's again open to debate, like whether it's legitimate or not, whether it's good to do this or not. Simply see, here it's giving me an application for my job as an assistant. So that's why if you want to get any kind of application, any kind of letter, any proposal letter, anything, you can type here and you will get the answer. So the debate is still open to discussion, whether this kind of thing, this kind of innovation in AI would bring betterment in the society, or it will disturb the peace of the people. Is it reliable? Should we trust it? Or is it something that might be hacking us? Or is it something that might control us? So these things are open to discussion and we cannot decide anything. Still, we can say that it's the AI that is the future. It is good or bad. That is something you need to decide. If you fail by anything, you mention in the comment box if it's good or bad. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.